Hello everyone, I'm in front of 1225 Spruce Street to show you a one-bedroom unit on a first floor. Here the building is located between Kamak and 13th Street, just a couple of blocks away, half a block and a half away from Orange Line. There is an easy access to public transport. There are a lot of cafes and restaurants in the area. You could walk everywhere from here, just a couple of blocks from Center City. And after saying this for the area, I get inside the building to show you the units. This is a building. There are 7 units in this building. As I open the first door, I left it open for this video. As I open the first door, on my left you have mailboxes for the units, and this is the hallway. It is a second door, and go through the second door. The unit I'm about to show you is unit 1R. This unit here on my left is a place for a resident to take out their trash. This is where residents keep their trash, and the landlord will take it out to the car. Here in the basement you have laundry machine for a resident. Some of the units in the building have their own inside the unit, but this particular unit, unit 1R, doesn't have washing machine, so we're gonna use this machine, a dryer and a washer. It's $150 per load, and $1 for a dryer and $150 for a washer. Now I go upstairs and show you what the unit looks like. Alright, next I will show you the inside of the unit. Alright, as you walk in, you can see the unit has high ceiling and recessed lights, a brand new floor, and the kitchen is recently renovated. It has brand new refrigerator, range hood, cabinets, and also you have a gas oven and cooktop, upgraded countertop. You have this microwave, it will stay with the unit. You also have a garbage disposal. This is your living space for living and dining. Over there, you'll see the bedroom. This is the door. I just walked in. Here on your left, as you walk into the apartment, you have this nice space, closet space. Nice closet space. And you do have 2 windows for a natural light. It has the bar outside for the security. It is the first floor unit. Then I will take you to the bedroom. As you walk in, on your right hand side, you have a big closet space. This shelf and nice size closet space. The place has a central heat and a window and a wall unit for air. This is your bedroom. nice size bedroom. In a bedroom you also have a full vase, brand new vase. This is the view of your bedroom from this angle. In a bedroom you also have a window for a natural light. And here, the next room inside the bedroom is your bathroom. It's a brand new bathroom. It has a beautiful tile floor. Everything in here is new. You have stall shower. Nice tile wall, tile floor. It's a beautiful bathroom. Alright, I just showed you a 1-bedroom unit inside 1225 Spruce Street. This is the bedroom. Here is your closet space. Inside the bedroom, you have this door. When you open it, this is your living space and your kitchen. It's recently renovated. Here you have your closet, 2 windows in the living room, and this is a big size closet. Alright, this is what Unit 1R looks like. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.